Today we are going to unbox a particle detector. We are at CERN in the experimental cavern of Point 2 along the LHC ring, which is one of the 4 interaction points where particle collisions take place. Here behind me there is the ALICE detector, which was primarily built to study the earlier stages of the universe, and in particular the state of matter which existed a few millionths of a second after the Big Bang, which we call quark-gluon plasma. Our packaging is very special. Is the giant red box, which you can see behind me, which is in fact the ALICE solenoid. It is a magnet that has been operational since 1989, and its job is to bend the trajectories of the charged particles as they pass through the detector volume. In this way, we can reconstruct their momenta and identify them. The whole magnet is 12 meters long, has a diameter of almost 12 meters, and it produces a magnetic field which is 10,000 times stronger than the Earth's one. Let's start opening it. While the doors are opening, we start spotting the fast interaction trigger, which tells us whether and when collisions happen. Then we see the inner tracking system and the time projection chamber, which we use to identify the particles crossing our detector. This last task may be quite challenging because a collision can look very much like a gigantic pot of spaghetti. Now that we have opened the box, we are going to replace part of its content to enhance the detector's precision. To do so, we will replace the innermost barrel with one based on a novel technology consisting of bent silicon pixel layers. In addition, we will add a new imaging calorimeter to detect photons traveling in the forward direction. And this is going to be placed right here. These are the wonderful things you can find when you unbox a particle detector.